Hello everyone and welcome back to 2 Minute English. In today's episode, we will fix some very common mistakes with prepositions in daily English. Let's get started. The first one. Which one is correct? It depends of the weather or it depends on the weather? Excellent. It depends on the weather. We say depend on, not depend of. The second one. She is married with a doctor or she is married to a doctor. Excellent. She is married to a doctor. We say married to, not married with. The third one. We discussed about the problem or we discussed the problem. Excellent. We discussed the problem. Discuss does not need a preposition. The fourth one. I arrived to the airport or I arrived at the airport. Excellent. I arrived at the airport. And we can also say I arrived in Paris. We use at with small places such as home, school, airport. We use in for cities and countries. The fifth one. I'm interested on music or I'm interested in music. Thank you. I'm interested in music. We say interested in, not interested on. So, depend on, married to, discuss without preposition, arrive at or in, and interested in. I'm interested in this job, but it depends on the interview because I arrived at the office late and discussed the problem with them. This was a short example. That's all for today's episode of 2 Minute English. Don't forget, small words make a big difference. Like, share, and subscribe for more short English lessons.